Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the latest innovation from Dreame, a brand that is currently winning the market with the launch of the Dreame Leaptic line. In today's video, we're breaking down the major CES 2026 highlights and focusing mainly on the Dreame Leaptic Cube, as we'll tell you how this new action camera gear is changing the game for action footage and high-end 8K videos. But before we dive into all that good stuff, make sure you hit that bell icon so you're always updated with the latest tech talk. The CES has always been the ultimate launchpad for futuristic products, along with ones that push boundaries, and this year is no different. Over time, the event has become a major platform for next generation imaging and creator hardware, and in the middle of all of this, one name that has unexpectedly stolen the show is Dreame. While the brand is known all over the world for home robotics, the debut of the Dreame Leaptic Cube has made its presence in the high-end action camera market known. What makes this product one of the most talked about CES highlights is its innovative and modular design. Believe it or not, the Leaptic Cube features a detachable camera module, and this module can operate up to 30 meters away from its base. This split body design makes it a game changer for capturing immersive action footage and allows creators to strap the tiny lens under a skateboard, for example, or on a pet harness, and then monitor the shot on its 2.27-inch magnetic touchscreen. But this camera is not just about the form factor, it's also about raw power. This action camera is being positioned as a professional grade tool that supports 8K videos at 30 frames per second. And it's powered by a sensor that's 1 inch in size to ensure performance. This professional grade bitrate and 8K video capabilities ensure that every second of your journey is future-proofed, regardless of whether you're into extreme sports, travel vlogging, or creative outdoor shooting. Given all this, it's easy to see why this device is being hailed as the best of CES for creators who refuse to compromise on quality or versatility. While the CES 2026 highlights are exciting and feature many innovative products, there's also a harsh reality that we have to face when it comes to cutting-edge tech. This reality is that while the Dreame Leaptic series cameras produce 8K videos, they do come with a risk of fragile data itself, because cameras like the Dreame Leaptic 8K generate massive files with extremely high bit rates. Given this, we can say that the files are large and complex, meaning that they are inherently more susceptible to data loss than your standard HD clips. So what this basically means is that when you're capturing stunning 8K footage, several things can go wrong. A few examples of this include human error, because it's incredibly easy to suffer from accidental deletion while reviewing clips on a small touchscreen, or to accidentally format the wrong SD card in the heat of a shoot. Recording interruptions can also cause issues, because if your battery dies mid-shoot, or if the camera shuts down due to an impact during extreme sports, the file can get corrupted and make the video unreadable. And transfer failures, as when you're moving massive gigabytes to a computer, interruptions during the process can occur, causing the files to become corrupted. What most creators fail to realize is that once these 8K files are damaged, they are significantly harder to repair than standard 1080p footage. This happens because the data is so densely packed that even a small corruption can ruin an entire file. This makes knowing how to recover lost videos an essential skill for anyone who's investing in the best of CES imaging technology. Now that you're familiar with the 8K video capturing capability of the Dreame Leaptic 8K camera, the reality you need to understand is that capturing such high quality footage can lead to data loss. If this happens, you need to know how to recover deleted videos, regardless of whether this happens due to corruption or accidental deletion. To do that, all you have to do is use Recoverit and follow these simple steps. Firstly, preparing for data recovery the right way is the most essential step in the process. So as soon as you realize your 8K videos are missing, the initial protective measures you must take, including stopping use, start by removing the SD card from your Dreame Leaptic Cube immediately. And apart from that, remember not to take any more photos or videos, as this prevents overwriting the lost data. Secondly, hardware connection. Connect your storage media to your computer using a high-speed USB-C card reader. Doing so will help you to ensure that there is a stable connection, which is required to handle the massive file sizes of action camera footage. Recoverit provides support for high-resolution video formats such as UHD, 4K and even 8K. This capability ensures that you can use Recoverit to recover large video files captured using action cameras like the most recent variant from Dreame. In addition, you can also use Recoverit to restore other media files from multiple storage options that include SD cards, micro SD cards, external drives, and more. So once you've connected the device to your laptop or computer, launch Recoverit and follow these steps. In the main Recoverit interface, you'll find all the storage options available on your device. From here, hover over the required drive and click Scan. If you want to perform a deep scan, you can do that by clicking the Deep Scan option. Now you'll see all the recoverable items that are available for restoration in Recoverit. Now that you see the files available for recovery, you can click into any one of them to preview it, and to start the recovery process, select one or multiple files you want to restore and click Recover. Choose the destination where you want to save the restored files and click Save. If you find the quality of the recovered files is not up to par with your expectations, or the videos are still broken, you can use Recoverit by Wondershare to improve video quality or repair damaged files just like this. Start by launching Recoverit and choose either the Video Repair or AI Media Enhancer option depending on the one you want. Then choose the file you want to repair. Once you have chosen the file, click on Repair. Once the process is complete, click Save and then choose the destination where you want to save the repaired or enhanced file. If you're someone who captures high quality videos or images, you need to have a reliable data recovery system in place. Recoverit is the best option in these cases, as it makes video data recovery a simple and standard part of your workflow, allowing you to get your data back in just a few clicks. Download it from the link in the description down below, and don't forget to like, comment down below with what issues you're currently dealing with, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this.